Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pushcut for personal productivity. So just tap on my Pushcut app on my iOS device and logged in, and Pushcut is a powerful tool that enhances personal productivity by automation and notifications through Apple Shortcuts app. It allows users to trigger shortcuts remotely, schedule tasks, and create custom notifications, making it an excellent companion for automating daily tasks and managing workflow. So I will just move in my widget, and I will just tap to start free trial. So here, if you want to for your personal productivity to use it, Pushcut Pro, so you will just unlock to create and use widgets. So you will have to purchase the plan for monthly, annual, or lifetime. Here is the prices mentioned. So after this, when you purchase it, so you will be able to triggering shortcuts remotely. Pushcut enables users to trigger shortcuts from various devices, including Macs and PCs. This is particularly useful for those who prefer not to interact with CD or need to execute tasks while working on their computers. So for example, users can set up an Alfred workflow on their Mac to trigger shortcuts that control smart home devices or managing tasks. So that's it. This is how to use it, and it also that controls smart home devices, or like making turning on lights without needing to use their voice. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.